So you may find them, but it's not very common, guys. He's a top pro trainer, trains elite athletes, professionals, you know. So this exercise is called the reverse hyper. Pretty much every gym you go to will have that, you know, the hyper extension, the hook your feet, the pad here, you go down, you come up, okay, it's for the lower back. This one, the reverse hyper, is actually way better for your lower back, but you don't see it in gyms. I've been to, you know, so many gyms in my life, and the only gym I've ever been to that actually has this set up was my first gym, and it was an old piece, and it just basically looked like a bench. It was a bench, but this high, and maybe had some handles. So you may find them, but it's not very common, guys. It is so good for the lower back. Basically, all you want to do, and obviously this is just a makeshift thing. Okay, you can probably set something like this up in the gym that you're at, but you hang down and you squeeze up to straight, squeezing the glutes. You don't need to go higher than that. Okay, come all the way down and up. Okay, just like that. So if you've got lower back pain, this would be the #1 thing that I recommend. And you know, to give a shout out to my buddy 𝗥𝗲𝗹𝗶𝗱𝗲. He's a top pro trainer, trains elite athletes, professionals, you know, in the major sports, MLB, NHL, and they'll even win awards in their respective sports. Like, anyways, he's a great trainer, trains Olympic athletes for weightlifting, and he has told me that this is the #1 exercise that he will get his athletes to do, and it was taught. I'll have to ask him. I'll make a note on here who it was that taught him that this was the one. And you know, so I always prescribe it to my clients, and they will also tell me nothing's worked as well for them. So if you have lower back pain, or even if you don't, it's probably going to come. So be proactive. Figure out how you can do this one at home or at the gym, and you don't need to add weight. Okay, we're looking at, like, you know, 10 to 20 reps, multiple sets, adding strength without the extra weight, and give this a try. This is